To purchase cryptocurrency using PayPal on Coinbase, you don't need to deposit funds into your balance first. Instead, you can directly buy crypto with your PayPal account. To do this, navigate to the Trade section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Next, choose your payment method and click on Add a Payment Method, where you will see PayPal as an option. Select PayPal, and you will be redirected to log into your account. After logging in and connecting your PayPal account, it will appear as a payment option. Then, choose the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example, 100 euros, and confirm the transaction. Complete the payment, and you will have successfully purchased the cryptocurrency using your PayPal account. This process allows for a straightforward and efficient way to buy crypto with PayPal on Coinbase.